between the Ministry of Education and teachers. Want to explain to me, when did students' projects become so complicated? Since when they put them have to go find black, steel, sand and stone and cement to build a simple project to come to school? When since the projects become the parents' projects to do? More somebody answer me the question there. Why is it projects have moved from a simple cartridge paper and to things that you can find lying around the house, to us parents spending thousands of dollars to buy things to do a project, or to pay an individual to do a complicated project that we ourselves cannot do? When since parents are sitting up 1 o'clock at night completing projects that are supposed to be for the children? I think you can place it, putting them in a simple groups, and some of the complicated projects have them do it as a group. For the local put them work at primary school, you come with some ridiculous projects. For the poor little pitney, the projects are supposed to be things where the kids then use sometimes their imagination to create something. You give them an idea of what to do. So if the parents is not there, they can start their project, or they can come and do the project and parents oversee it. Uno talk it shoot together, man, someone teacher. Uno realize when the pitney come with the project, another pitney do it at the parents. Someone asks ministry, when the people then come from school and we have to do all these projects, is it that we as parents are being reinitiated back into primary school and high school? Somebody talk to me. So when the people them left school, it be primary school or high school, we're going to get a school leaving certificate too? Make I tell you this, me not have the time. After pitney study, if you do the exam and then test and get 100 pound in test, teacher go send one message say if they don't do or complete certain projects, they're not going to get all their full marks because projects make up half of the mark. Since when? Well, since I saw it go, good girl don't really have a problem with projects. But why not send home some 3D projects for me though? I never do technical drawing from me I go to school yet. I don't know nobody with technical drawing. Why not do it? Why want to keep doing it? Let me tell you something. I tell you something. And I'm not disrespecting. You see, when you send home the complicated projects, be prepared to give them a complicated zero. Can me make up my mind to send my picking them an archers NTA or so me go get some skill. You know what picking left school with much certificate and diploma and still can't work. You know what picking left you take and you are all about and still can't get no work for do. I'm going to equip them with a skill so they can make some money for you. Say, I don't want none of you come stress me out. You don't have no reason for you to want to do again. As I said, and a matter of disrespect, a matter that you not use no conscience. You not think and say, no man, this project is too complicated for this small child to do or for the. Look here, make I tell you this. Me say, I saw it done, I saw it tap. Me have 2 pitney waga school, and anybody who are teaching at any school, them go take it. Say, me when tell you say certain projects I will not be doing it. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.